So I've been seeing this glass look trend a lot on the internet, and it's a super dewy glowy look that's really pretty and appropriate for spring, I feel. So this is my rendition of it. I think it's really wearable. I don't like it too dewy where your hair and dust might stick on it, but a nice glow is super beautiful, and I think it's very wearable. So first of all, you want to exfoliate, and I use this lemon sparkling peeling gel from Secret Key. It's just a very gentle gel exfoliant, and it just takes off any like dullness and dead skin, and it really applies makes your makeup apply nicer. And as you can see, a lot of that gunk is sort of being peeled off, and it's sort of like using your own skin to exfoliate your skin. Kind of gross, but super satisfying, and it works really well. I had an outfit change, don't mind me. Next up, what you want to do is apply a sheet mask. So what that's going to do is moisturize your skin and have that hydrated glow, so you don't have to apply too many products on top. Honestly, if you don't have that much time to do this, just take 5 to 10 minutes while you're like brushing your teeth or drinking your coffee. It really does help just to provide radiance. Next, go in with a vitamin C serum. This will help any hyperpigmentation and fade acne marks, and that's really important when you want like translucent glass skin. Pair it with a CENTELLA BLEMISH ampule, and what it does, it just boosts antioxidant effect, and it really just helps with breakouts. So clear skin definitely starts with skincare, you know. And I try not to adjust my skincare too much, just because even though we want glass skin, you don't want to agitate your skin with products that are too emollient or too oily. So keep with your skincare routine, and that's gonna help. Use a lip mask to moisturize your lips, because you can't have super shiny face but not like supple lips, right? So just apply all over. Next up, we're going to use a medium coverage foundation, and this is from Wet n Wild. It's a photo focus foundation. It's super affordable, it blends really nicely, and it's not too heavy on the skin. You want to really avoid going too light with the glass skin look. I know it's supposed to be flawless like porcelain, but stick with your own skin tone. I think that's the most flattering, because you know, melanin is beautiful too. Want to go in with a liquid highlighter, and this is what's gonna really create that glowy dewy look without being heavy on the skin. So if you use a highlighter like this, you can really avoid using emollient oils and stuff, just so you know, if you have oily skin already, you really would just want to avoid piling on too much skincare onto your skin. This gives you that sheen that you want without overpowering and feeling heavy on the skin, and it's just such a nice finely milled sort of texture. I guess not milled, but like you don't see the glitter particles, and that's what I like in a liquid highlighter. Next up, we're gonna set the face. So we want to not set too much. I usually focus it on the sides of the face where hair might catch onto, especially for girls. You know, once the wind blows, your hair might get onto that, and powder anywhere you might get oily, and dull the shine where you don't want it. Very simple for brows. I use this Precisely My Brow Pencil. It's straight to the point. You don't really need to like worry too much about this, just because it's not the main focus. I also go ahead and define the lower lash line just a little bit so it doesn't look too bare. Next up, I'm gonna go for a very clean brow look, and this Glossier Boy Brow in Clear just holds up my brows, and I'm just gonna brush it upwards, so it gives it a little bit more of a messy, stronger look. I just really like this product. It just really works. Next, to open the eyes and give it a very doe eye look, go in with a nude tone pencil just on the waterline. You can see how this brightens the eyes a lot instantly. Just to create a little bit more dimension, because we don't want it to look too flat, especially after applying just foundation. Go in and define the eyes a little bit more with a detail liner, and this will help smudge out the brow pencil that we used earlier too. Okay, now for that dewy fresh look, I'm gonna go in with this liquid blush in TORRID by NARS. It's really pigmented, so I'm gonna mix it with my liquid highlighter. That way you get a really nice highlighting blush. Next up, you just want to put it onto your apples of your cheek, you know, anywhere that you might naturally blush. You can apply it a little bit on the tip of the nose too if you want that cutesy effect, but I think just a really sweet touch blush on a little bit on the forehead too, or the temples, just creates a really sweet look. So I just want to define the eyes just a little bit more so it doesn't look too naked. You can honestly skip that part too. I'm applying the blush onto my lips just to give it some flush as well. And to top it off, to give it that dewy, glowy lip look with some definition, I'm going in with this Glossier cherrybomb.com. It is slightly tinted. It looks really like pigmented out of the tube, but when you apply it onto your lips, it actually is really pretty and really sweet. So yeah, go ahead and apply a generous layer so you don't get those chapped lips. And I prefer tinted lip balms anyway, just because it just nourishes the lips and keeps it looking healthy. So this is what I use. Alright, to finish up, since we are going for the glass skin look, which means translucent, right? We don't want to cover up your natural beauty, so I'm gonna go ahead and darken the freckles that I sort of covered up when I applied the foundation. That way you can, look like you're not wearing any makeup. But little do people know you're wearing layers of makeup. Next up, I'm gonna use a powder highlighter to set any part of the face so that it doesn't feel oily. And the powder highlighter is great because it doesn't dull the shine, but still keeps the skin looking very nice and dewy. This one for Too Cool for School is very undetectable on the skin, so it makes it look super healthy. Set it with a mist and you are done. Thank you so much. This is the finished look. Glass skin. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up if you haven't already. For my other videos, go check it out on my channel. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope you enjoy your glass skin tutorial and tag me in your Instagram if you recreate this looks. Bye.